scream too loud, and it might be the last thing you ever do. GadInsider is the horror game that listens to you, literally. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your hub of the latest gaming news. Imagine a game where your own breath could get you killed. That's the bone-chilling premise of GadInsider, the nightmare from Odale Studios that's about to redefine interactive horror. Dropping just in time for Halloween, this game doesn't just want you to play it, it wants to hear you. The 30-minute demo available on Steam gives players a terrifying taste of what's about to come. Using your microphone, the game's monster AI reacts to every sound you make. A whisper, a gasp, even the click of your keyboard could send the grotesque, tentacled creatures hunting straight for you. Stay quiet and you might survive. Breathe wrong and you're done. Players can even customize their nightmare by choosing which monster attributes scare them the most, a twist that makes every session uniquely horrifying. As you creep through the claustrophobic tunnels of death and decay, you'll piece together a haunting story told entirely through environmental clues. But GadInsider isn't just designed to terrify solo players, it's built to revolutionize horror streaming. Every scream, laugh, or nervous mutter from a screamer becomes part of the gameplay itself, making it a social horror event that's as fun to watch as it is to survive. With its genius sound-driven AI and suffocating atmosphere, GadInsider isn't just another horror game. It's a living nightmare that listens, and it's already here. Have you played the demo? Tell us in the comments. Give the video a thumbs up. Subscribe to GadInsider, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss any tech update.